Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters and all the weightage related to UI UX and their fundamentals. You can check out from there. Let's start with the review. It's a design and UI UX development with AI course by ejobindia, and it is based on West Bengal. And this is the overview of the course. And these are the stats, like 130 plus hours are there, and the course fees is 25,000, which is okay, not too much. And this course is divided into 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 modules. And in module 1, they will teach about UI fundamentals and tools and technologies. And module 2 is about design research. Module 3, it's about development part, HTML and AI support. And module 4 about same responsive CSS and automation. 5, it bootstrap and framework, JavaScript, UI interactivity, WordPress website building, template design, testing optimization. Mostly the development part is there in the UI UX course, but it is also AI oriented course. And as you mentioned, AI driven responsive website development, and this is a certification course. And nothing else is there. No detailed knowledge about the tools, that what tools they are going to teach you, and no testimonials is are there. No portfolio development, no career support is there. So it's a below average course. Like, I will not recommend this course. There are many better courses in the market. So let's give a rating about the parameters. So curriculum depth and structure is 0.5, and UX fundamental is again 0.5. UI design quality again 0.5. Hand-on project is 0. Tools and software training, it's again 0.5. Mentorship feedback and 0. Portfolio development is 0. Placement and career support is also 0. Course and values fees is again 0.5 for me. And industrial relevant is also a 0.5 for me. So it's a 3 out of 10. It's a below average course. I will not recommend this course because there are many better courses in the market which cover the AI driven AI orientation program, which covered the AI tools in the UX UI fundamentals. I will also recommend the best UI UX course which covered all the parameters and which contain all the weightage related to AI tools, related to UI UX fundamentals, research, structure, and mentorship and feedback, which also help in portfolio development, and which also guide you about the placement and career support. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Also, if you have any query related to updates in the UI UX and related to fundamental about the UI or UX theory, you can definitely drop a comment. I will definitely help it out. Thank you.